Hey guys, me and Alex are back with episode 6 of WTF.
And it's 3.5 points to 1.5 points. And if you don't know, this is a game show.
Yes.
A food-based game show. If you haven't seen the rest of it, click the link up here.
Each week is different, and I'm excited to see what this week has in store.
Yeah, well, we've got a load of red cups here.
Yes.
This is a new one. We've never had red cups.
No, feels very American.
Very American. I feel like we're going to play beer pong.
Yeah, I did think that when I saw the red cups.
That would be fun. Maybe that's one week. Should we get into this?
Yes. Let's go. Okay, for once, we got no blindfolds.
No blindfolds, just the card this week. Hello, Kate and Alex. We want to start by congratulating neither of you for winning last week's challenge.
This week we have something a little bit different that we like to call WTF is under the cup. WTF is under the cup. As you can see in front of you, there are 10 red cups.
Under each cup lies a food. The challenge is simple. Take it in turns to pick up a cup, and to win a point you must eat the food that is under it. Only a large bite or spoonful will count.
Oh no! If the scores are tied after 10 cups have been turned over, there will be a tiebreaker food where whoever can eat it the fastest will take this week's victory. Oh no!
How far are you willing to go to win?
Good luck, guys.
The
WTF team. Oh my word. So some things might be nice, but it's all luck.
Well, the thing is, me and Kate are really competitive as well. So
yeah, but not when it comes to me gagging on food, I don't think. That's my worst idea.
The thing here will be who can stomach the most.
Yeah.
So
but they said one large bite, did they?
Yeah. Shall we do our traditional rock, paper, scissors?
Yes, I actually won this last time, but I don't remember last time.
Kate's good at winning rock, paper, scissors, but she's not good at winning the game. Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
You were so good at that.
Yeah, but I'm not,
How'd you
like
know?
you said, I'm not one. I read beyond. First cup, I'm
Yeah,
going to go
go
for,
for it.
should I bring it out in front of
Yeah.
me? Is this one. 3, 2, 1. Oh!
This is mean. This is mean.
Ginger.
Yeah, and you've got to take a big bite of it.
I already taste it. I'm going to taste this for the rest of the week.
Yeah, you will. But the good thing is, after you've eaten that, you won't be able to taste anything else.
Oh, so do I get to peel it first?
If you want, yeah.
Oh my word, that's burning my tongue. Oh my word.
They've been mean.
Oh,
here.
I'm
not sure I could.
I literally can't do that.
It has to be swallow for a point, right?
Oh my word, my tongue is burning.
That is. I'm not looking forward to this one now.
You guys are mean.
That's horrible. So that's one fail.
To be fair, I did give it a good chew.
You did give it a good chew, and I did better than I thought you would. So
You
still
did better
don't
than
get.
you thought.
No, you did better than I thought you would, but I still don't think that's a point.
Oh.
I'm gonna go for this one.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
What the heck is that?
Is
that chutney?
Mango chutney.
No, it's not mango.
Oh, not mango chutney, just chutney.
That's chutney.
Just pure chutney.
Shall I go get some spoons?
My mouth is going to be tangy
Yeah,
after this.
tangy.
Here we go. I'm going to go for it because I want to get on the scoreboard early. I really want to get on the scoreboard early. I'm already psyching myself out
There's a
about
bowl
it.
coming in. Don't face me! Turn that way! And you attempted the whole thing all at once.
Ugh. What the?
Alex, can we just have a rule?
I'm sorry, that is not overreacting.
I'm not saying it's overreacting, but can we have a rule that you don't face me if you're going to
It was just the way I went. I'm not going to do it on the equipment. I'm more likely to do it on you. I thought I could do that. I really psyched myself up. But
As soon as it hit the mouth.
it hit my mouth and it was so strong and like the aroma went up my nose and like I was saying, my throat just went,
Ugh.
That's not happening. So
0 for you too.
yeah, 0 for me too.
Going for this
Are you going
one.
for this one?
Da 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 da. Woo! Pringles!
Yeah, but you've got to eat the pot.
Happily done.
No, you've got to eat, I mean
I'll be
plastic.
fun. What flavour have we got? Salt and vinegar. You don't even like salt and vinegar.
No, that probably would be
Devine.
hard for me.
I'll mention these for the rest of the video.
Okay, so let's say that's a point for you then. I'm gonna go with this. I'm scared. It's not even.
Ooh. I know what that is. That's delicious.
It's a persimmon.
That's nice.
I like persimmons.
Yeah. So That's probably 2 of the best ones gone, which means the rest aren't going to be great. Oh, this doesn't feel good at all.
Really?
3, 2, 1.
When I was thinking,
You would have hated
I
this.
was thinking about all the things that we could have had in this challenge, my first thought was if I had to do a spoonful of mayonnaise, I would hate that. But the crazy
gonna get
thing
through.
about mayonnaise is I like mayonnaise on fries. I like mayonnaise on lots of things. But when it comes to just eating mayonnaise on its own, it's just not something I can do.
When we were younger, we always used to fight for who's going to lick the mayo spoon.
I didn't fight for that.
No, I don't think you were. I think you were at school.
Fine.
Now, my tip is just to take it slow.
It's making me feel sick just watching you do that.
Gonna take it slow.
I'm gonna keep eating this. I can't believe you've done that so easily.
It was not easy. I'm like actually dying inside. But I know
You
that
got
I'd
the
rather
points.
do that than the garlic.
I think I'm gonna go for this one, although I'm scared because it seems to
It
move
keeps-
a lot.
yeah.
3, 2, 1.
It's an onion. Are you actually going for it?
I've got to go for it.
You look so angry.
I am angry. I'm not gonna speak to Matt for like a week.
Oh no, he won't want you to either.
Right, enough?
I'll let you have that. Oh my word, I can't believe you're doing that.
It's just burning sensation. Oh my word. That is
I can't.
awful.
You've done it. I can't believe that. I would not have been able to do that. This one. Oh dear, that doesn't sound good. 3, 2, 1. Lemon. Lemon.
How are you gonna eat this?
I think a segment and bite down and
Oh, and you'll have to give it a suck.
suck. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is gonna kill my ulcer. Do you think it's a sign I wore this top?
Yeah.
I got the lemon.
I think there's a bit left in there.
I know, I'm going for it.
So that's 3, 2.
3,
so
2.
we've got to do this.
Right.
3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Yes.
a baby bell.
Right, I am now going to do the terrible task of eating a baby bell.
Okay.
This is going to be.
Enjoy it.
This is going to be terrible. Oh,
I'm just trying to think now. How many good things are there?
so there's been 1, 2,
I reckon there's
3.
one good thing and one bad thing.
probably. We've got 3 points each.
Oh, should I go
Whichever.
for this? Activia Peach.
Actively strong.
Yippee!
You're just gonna drink that
looks
down.
so
You should have shaken
watery.
it first.
Shaking a yogurt.
Shall I just open this now
Crack
and
on.
see what it is? And you can enjoy that while I do this. I'll give you a point
Thank you.
because I know you're going to eat that. Now, has the
Oh, these are
prophecy
nice.
rung true? Is this going to be bad? Or are our
You're
numbers
gonna
off?
get to enjoy it.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
What the heck is that?
It's some kind of pepper.
And I think do you think it's spicy?
I don't know how spicy it's going to be. That's the only thing. Although I don't think yellow peppers are particularly spicy, but I could be wrong.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
I don't know. It's wriggly and it's small. I'm glad I didn't
How
lift
much
up
do you
the.
think I need to eat of this?
Probably just like
Half.
a quarter. Okay, half.
3. So this is either going to be okay or
Oh, really
terrible.
spicy.
Ready?
Surely it's gonna be spicy. Doesn't smell spicy. Is it? Is that? Oh my word. Are you gonna be sick? Are you okay? Spit it out, Al.
I'm okay.
Oh my word. Are you crying?
I'm not crying.
Yeah, you are. Are you?
I'm not crying.
I wouldn't have been able to
Oh
do
my
that,
word.
would I? That's gonna be really hot now.
It's getting worse.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, drink the yogurt. Let me stop the dog. Okay.
That is burning my tongue.
Is
so
that
bad.
better though?
Yeah.
Oh my word, I don't know how you just did that. I'm
I think
so
I was kind of
glad
thinking
you got
it wouldn't
that.
be that hot.
And it smelled actually It didn't smell spicy.
It was quite sweet to start with.
And then it gets worse. And I think even it will carry on getting worse.
It is, yeah.
Oh my word. Are you okay, Al? Oh, you've actually got watery eyes.
Yeah, I hate hot stuff.
I could not have done that.
It's so hot on my tongue.
Really?
Yeah.
Should we take a break?
Yeah.
Let's take a 10-minute break. See you in a minute. Are you okay?
It's so hot on my tongue.
What else could you have?
Almond milk.
Almond milk. Okay.
Or some ice cream, maybe?
Oh yeah, ice cream. Although is it not bad to them, the cold one? Matt, what pepper is that?
That's the Scotch bonnet, that one.
That's a Scotch bonnet!
That's really strong, is that?
That's so strong!
Yeah, that's really hot.
God, Alex, you've eaten a Scotch bonnet.
Kurt, what a big boy I am.
If that was me, I probably would have had a little nibble. I said a quarter. You went for like full on half of it.
I was like, we can't be that bad.
Alex has just eaten half a Scotch bonnet.
Oh, dear.
Well done, Alex. Let's have a clap for Alex.
Oh.
Well done, Alex. What a man. What a myth. What a legend. So because Alex is so competitive, he ended up eating half a Scotch bonnet
Yeah.
just so he wouldn't let me win.
I think it was worth it. Otherwise, I don't want you encroaching on my lead. But the thing is
Come
now...
on, I'm not that close.
But the crazy thing is, now we're down to a 50-50 basically. I went through all that just so I could have the possible chance of winning. But you might still eat a
No,
tangerine
I don't think
quicker than
so.
me.
So it's a tie break. Next challenge is who can peel and eat the tangerine the quickest. Ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
3, 2, 1, go.
Once again, Matt else's turn. You have to put it on it. Oh no!
Had to show you scoff a lot of food down.
Yeah.
You've
Smashing
done it.
those tangerines.
I
Look how
still
much you've
had-
got left.
Over half because I dropped the food.
Wasn't even a contest.
But
We
to be
just shoved
fair-
the first half in my mouth and just out.
Yeah, but I watched food eating competitions, and the people that shove loads of food into their mouth tend to end up losing.
Not in this case.
No, this guy. Slow and steady wins the race. But technically, you have bigger teeth than me. Like a bigger
Yeah, that's
jaw
helped.
than me,
Yeah.
maybe.
Yeah, that really helped. So, at the end of this week's episode of
So-
WTF,
You won again.
I won again. It's 4.5 points to 1.5. Does anyone in the comments think Kate can come back from this? How many more episodes are there?
I don't know.
This was episode 6.
was episode 6.
I think we said we'd have 4 more episodes,
yeah,
didn't we?
we're going to 10.
So, you
I would have to win all 4.
all 4 at the next.
Let the challenge begin. Did you enjoy that?
I enjoyed that.
What,
Did
even
you
the
guys
Scotch
enjoy
bonnet?
that? Well, no, I didn't enjoy the Scotch bonnet, no.
Well, at least I might not have won, but I did not do
sen-
it. Scotch bonnet.
the sensation of winning means more to me than my taste buds. Because I now don't have any.
You're an utter. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you very soon. Bye, guys.
See ya.